me, Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to make a crunchy, crispy and flavorful murmura. This snack is perfect not just for tea time, but you can enjoy it anytime. It's super easy to make. Let's get started and check it out. For more interesting and yummy snack recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. So first we need to deep fry all the ingredients, starting with 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. Make sure all the ingredients are dry, you don't want it to be wet. Once it's nice and crispy, remove from the oil and keep it aside. Next, add a cup of fresh coriander leaves. Deep fry them until crispy and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add 5 green chilies. I've just made some slits. While deep frying, they can burst if you don't cut them. Once they are fried, remove from the oil and keep it aside. Now add a few curry leaves and deep fry them. Remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Once you've fried all these ingredients, make sure you cool them completely. While cooling these ingredients, next I'm going to deep fry the peanuts. I've taken 1 cup of peanuts with skin. Deep fry them till they turn to a lovely rich brown color. So you can see the gradual color change. Remove the fried peanuts and keep it aside. Next I'm adding a few cashew nuts. Deep fry them in the same manner. Once they turn to a lovely golden brown color, remove them from the oil and keep them on the plate. Now I'm going to add all the cooled ingredients into the mixer jar one by one. Just pulse it a few times. Remove the ground mixture and keep it aside. Now let's start making the murmura. So while enjoying that nice crispy murmura, what do you dig into first, the peanuts or the murmura itself? Let me know in the comment section. To a nice white kadai, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. So ghee is going to give a wonderful flavor to the murmura. Maintain the flame on a low. Once the ghee melts, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder. Gently mix that in the ghee. Add the green paste and mix it along with the ghee. Season it with a teaspoon of salt. Wow, the aroma is so nice. Once you've mixed the salt in, finally add the murmura, that is the puffed rice. So for this recipe, I've taken 100 grams of murmura. Depending on the green paste you have, you can add the puffed rice. So I'm just going to use 2 spatulas because it will be easier to mix it. Increase the heat to a medium and just keep tossing it around till all the puffed rice is completely coated with that beautiful mixture. So you can see every puffed rice is beautifully coated. It looks so nice. Gently drop in the roasted peanuts and the cashew nuts and mix it along with the murmura. Maintain the flame on a low throughout. You don't want it to get burnt. So I've added peanuts and cashew nuts. You can add some roasted almonds if you like. So if you like that mild sweetness, you can also add some raisins. Finally, add half teaspoon of chaat masala powder and give it a good mix. There you go. Here is this absolutely incredibly crispy and crunchy, delicious mint murmura is ready to be enjoyed. Cool the murmura and you can store it in a nice airtight container and it will stay crispy and fresh for up to 2 to 3 days. Make sure to follow all the steps and tips that I have showed you to get it perfectly. Look at this gorgeous murmura. Well, I can't wait to actually empty this bowl. Can you hear the crunch? It's so crunchy and crispy. And the flavors, let me tell you, it's just incredible. Mint, coriander, curry leaves, and mild spiciness. Wow, amazing flavors. Perfect snack for any time, not just tea time. The seasoning in that murmura is just perfect. I just couldn't stop eating. I love it. It's so yummy and it's a nice light snack that you can enjoy anytime. So do give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.